I know am. Even city people, they use firewood. Firewood food, they sweet pass. I go make correct afang soup for my husband.
Are you trying to burn my house down? Do you know how dangerous this is?
No! I no wan burn house. If fire big, I go just carry the river quench am. Na true. I don't marry. My papa and mama no fit carry me give bad husband. I trust them. I trust them. My husband fine. He get money. He get big house. Chai! So this fine man na my husband. If my village friends see me now, they go jealous die. They say nobody go marry me because I too quiet. See me now, I marry rich husband. My husband!
Not again.
Morning, my husband. You sleep well?
Morning.
Good
Morning.
God go protect you. Every bad eye go close. Any person wey won't spoil your day, God go disappoint them.
Thank you. I really have to go.
No worry. Drive small, small. No race motor. I go wait for you. Bye, my husband. Come back safe, oh! My husband fine well. Today, I go surprise am. I must show say village wife sabi take care husband and knows how to cook better soup. Let me enter kitchen. This cupboard they talk? Jesus! Aha! I know am. Even city people, they use firewood. Firewood food, they sweet pass. I go make correct afang soup for my husband. Good cooking. The soup sweet, oh.
Madam, they cook? No. Madam, they build village for mansion.
When my husband chop this soup, he no go ever forget me.
Amara! Amara! Are you okay?
I am fine.
Amara! What are you doing?
I cook for you.
Are you trying to burn my house down? Do you know how dangerous this is?
No! I no wan burn house. If fire big, I go just carry the river quench am.
This isn't how we cook here.
Then how na they cook? No be everybody they use fire.
There is a gas cooker. There is an electric cooker.
The fire dey inside house?
What if this fire spread? What if the wind carried it? What if someone got hurt?
My mama teach me say, a good wife cook before husband come back. I think say if I cook, you go smile.
This soup is actually good. Amara, come outside. I don't mean to shout like that. I just panic. This is how we cook here. No more firewood.
So fire dey inside this thing?
Yes. Add the flour slowly. Now stir it. Look, no lumps at all.
It looks perfect.
Now, your turn. Light it.
I do
Good. You cook very well. We'll use the gas.
I don't understand now.
Amara, from today, always take your bath morning and evening. Always keep yourself neat. You are my wife now.
Okay, Oga. I go do am.
And tomorrow, get ready early. We're going shopping. You need new clothes.
Shopping? For me?
We'll change your hairstyle too, like my wife.
Yes. Hey! Tomorrow I go enter this big market. I go scatter ground. Rich man wife, Amara. I no fit wait.